This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 21, to be in the affirmative form. We've spoken about the types of sentences in A1 Lesson 1. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn about to be in the affirmative form or in the affirmative sentence. Let us study these two simple sentences together. زايا أستاذة اللغة العربية. هي إنسانة بسيطة. In Arabic we say زايا أستاذة اللغة العربية, which is the equivalent translation of Zaya as in Arabic language teacher. The sentence ends with a full stop. This sentence is describing Zaya's job. The second sentence is describing Zaya's character. So we say زايا إنسانة بسيطة, which is the equivalent in the English language. Zaya is a simple person. Step by step, you will, inshallah, understand in deep. Just stay with us, don't go far, because our coming course will, inshallah, deal with to be in the interrogative form or to be in the interrogative sentence. In A1, Lesson 21, we learned about to be in the affirmative sentence. In Lesson 22, we will, inshallah, learn about to be in the interrogative sentence.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.